I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, cadets. Let's have a Together Tuesday. Montes Juntos. Have a great day.
Good morning, Frederick High School. It's Mrs. Green, and we're here today with today's daily trivia question. Today's question: where did Martin Luther King give his famous I Have a Dream speech? Was it Edmund Pettus Bridge, Lincoln Memorial, Syracuse University, or Birmingham City Jail? As always, drop your answer in the box below, and we will let you know the answer tomorrow.